So, real estate is always an adventure. I never know where it's going to take me. Where the heck am I at today? I'm in the last frontier, state number 49, Alaska. And I'm in Anchorage, Alaska, and we are going to make some dreams a reality and get out there and make it happen for yourself. But you got to believe and achieve. Hi everybody, welcome back to Real Estate Investing Adventures. Why? Because real estate is fun and it's always an adventure. Where the heck am I at today? I'm on Lake Hood in Anchorage, Alaska. It's a beautiful day to take a plane ride. Guests, welcome back. Who the heck am I? I'm a real estate investor, gets to travel all over the country and work with people just like you, trying to get started in real estate or take their real estate investing to the next level. Why am I here in Anchorage, Alaska? Because I'm working with people just like you that want to get involved with real estate or take their business to the next level. What am I going to talk about in this video? Often people are afraid to do real estate. They think of all the reasons why they can't succeed. They think of all the reasons why they might fail. But this is what I want to tell you. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Think about people flying in those little propeller planes. I'm telling you, I don't know if I could do it. It's been fun though watching them land here and take off all day. Real estate, you don't know what you can achieve until you start doing it and taking action. I want you to really sit and think, if it's something you've thought about doing and you haven't started or haven't gotten to where you want it to be, what do you need to change? What do you need to do differently? What do you need to do? Is it the first deal? Is it to have the right power team? Well, I want to tell you, on my YouTube channel, Joe Jurek's Real Estate Investing Adventures, I have plenty of playlists that deal with how to find deals, how to find off-market deals, how to build a power team, how to ask the right questions. So if you need more information, you need that little nudge, you need that little push, you need information to help you get going, check out my playlist. And don't forget to subscribe in the corner here of the video, because I love to hear comments. I love to hear how people are doing, deals people are doing. And whether you've been doing this for a long time or just starting, I want to wish everybody success with their real estate investing. And the key is not to give up. Don't ever, 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 ever give up what you're trying to do, because you can make your dreams a reality. But you got to believe and achieve. Take care. Bye-bye.